Hey, Sleepy Joe, have you had a career with the Penn Central? You know, because you're old, which is a quality of the Penn Central. And, well, you are a failure just like the Penn Central.
Good one, Trumpy, decrepit dumpy. However, the comparison fails at losing $1 million per day, which after that, stay with jail. Like a fair tax. Plus, the Penn Central's countless bankruptcies are more or so in your territory. If I am the Penn, you're the Milwaukee Road Trump.
The Milwaukee Road, really, child toucher? Based on this, I can confirm without a shadow of a doubt that you couldn't name a sensible railroad even if you tried. I, the Big D Trump, personally fit better as the Rush-Sylvania Northern, wink, wink, regardless with Biden. Let's drive something.
Well, Trump, interesting proposition. However, driving a car is too regular for my taste. Other vehicles meet the same, similar, or in general meet a fate in which disqualifies them from being driven by men such as ourselves. So I say we communicate with Norfolk Southern and see what we can drive.
All right, Sleepy Joe, but I swear if the consist is one defective axle, I'm going to personally sign a Norfolk Southern Act banning the road name from all 6 axle General Electric locomotives.
Hello?
Okay, me and ex-president over here would like to control one of your locomotives, please.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to give you a background check.
What? You need to give us both background checks?
Yeah.
Well, as the 46th President of the United States, you should be able to Google everything you need.
Okay, give me a minute.
Ex-president? Really, Joe? Well, can we drive a locomotive or not?
Alright, I just ran background checks on you two, and you two are both fine to operate a locomotive.
Yes,
yeah.
Biden, what in the Underground Railroad was that?
So arty.
Righty, boys, here's the power.
Nice. Pennsylvania and Georgia, 2 of the many great American states.
These are 2 of our heritage units. We have 20 across the whole system. So we're gonna go grab a cut of coal cars and bring them up to a power plant.
All right, notching her up.
You know what, Trumpa Loompa Lumpagus? I think this reminds me of every time my dad Willis brought me to the car wash. That or the time I beat you in the election.
Really, Biden? I'm going to stop this train right now and drop you off if you keep going with your presidential teases. I hope after that trip to the car wash, your dad went to community markets for milk.
Stop, I was joking. Don't take things so seriously, would you?
Alright, Trump, so the switches to the cut of coal cars should be set all the way so you're free to notch up.
Now, I'll continue on this lower notch till we hit grade. All right, notching her up.
Whose vacuum cleaner is that?
Biden, that's our 16-cylinder prime mover.
All right, notching her up. Everybody, move your toes. The Roomba is angry.
All right, Trump. The cut of coal cars are stored here. Remember, 4's a couple, 5's a collision. So get her to about 4 or 5 miles an hour.
All right, 4 is a couple, 5's a collision.
Yep, my uncle told me about that, but Trump, if 4 is a couple and 5 is a collision, you were the 45th president, so you'd be a couple of collisions.
Right, I'll definitely be a couple of collisions, especially if your people rigged the elections again.
Alright, Trump. I'm gonna have you swap seats with Biden.
Nagaho! Why?
So that way Biden isn't just sitting there and distracting you.
Okay.
All downhill from here, just like Biden's political career.
Right, Biden, just keep ignoring them. You're clear all the way to the coal plant on the other side of the island here.
Oh, look at those nice young women. Are they under 18?
What are you looking at? You are definitely struggling to keep focus on that.
Okay. Well, they're definitely Pete over you.
Ding 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 diggin ding 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 ding.
Going to speed her up now. Ooh, 69. Nice.
Ding 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 ding.
Oh, I don't have Mr. SquarePants and it's dark. Hey, notching up out of here.
Abu Biden needs a fictional character to deal with tunnels. How adorable.
I was peeing. What is all the commotion about? I nearly ripped a new one on the seat.
Yay, SpongeBob. Now you're going to be here when I complete my first run. Best day ever.
Is that water I see? Well, Joe, I've got to go clap some sandy cheeks and smother myself all over that bikini bottom. So, au revoir, hasta LA Vista, and goodbye.
No, SpongeBob.
Can we all just admit how weird that was?
You're really not kidding to think this is our current president?
Alright, Joe, slow down. We got a really tight curve coming up here towards the plant. Slow her down to about 10, and when they get fully into the plant, cut off all power. I almost said power. English is difficult. What do you know?
For real, I nearly failed English 1 as a young boy, so I feel your pain. Hello to all young rail families. This may be you someday.
Biden, next to no one wants to be you. They should hope to be me or this guy in front of me.
Thanks, Trump. Anywho, Biden, it's about time to shut it off, so I'll go ahead and do that and we'll wrap this thing up. Alright, boys, how was it? How was your first trip?
Excellent. Laughing at Trump for not being the president was easily the best part. The guest appearance by SpongeBob was a welcome one as well.
Calling Biden old and a creep never gets boring. Add on the fact that we were in a rare locomotive and our experience was unforgettable.
Alrighty, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. It's finally finished. It took me a week. But if you have any opinions as to how it was made, any ideas as to improve it, or if you want to see another one of these in the future, just let me know. So I know. Just so that way I'm informed, because that would help me a bunch. Leave that all in the comments down below, and I'll see you when I see you next. Ta-ta now.